this month's Elevated video series, we are excited to feature Kate Merker Interior's Down to Earth's client project. Hi there! For those of you who are new here, I am Jackie Newell, founder and lead designer here at Basil Tate, a residential interior design firm located here in Denver, Colorado. We are obsessed with this elevated home's earthy and natural spaces, and the attention to detail is truly next level. From the entryway to the kitchen and to the laundry room, we are loving it all. There is so much good here. So let's take a closer look at the 9 details that elevate this home. Number 1, the black steel exterior doors. The black exterior doors on this house are absolutely amazing and are the perfect way to add wow factor to any entryway. We love how this dark and moody color contrasts against the natural wood tones around the door frame, the ceiling, and the flooring. Number 2, the archways throughout the home. One of our favorite architectural features of this home is its rounded archways throughout the hallways and entries to rooms. Arches were one of our top 2023 design trends this year, and we love seeing the detail executed perfectly like they did in this house. This trendy yet timeless shape is likely here to stay for years to come. Number 3, the stained wood paneling. The use of stained wood paneling on the ceiling throughout the house adds just the right amount of something different that we don't see in most homes. We love how these warm wood tones also keep the design cohesive, pulling everything together from room to room. And number 4, the brass and nickel accents. Throughout this home's kitchen and bath spaces, we are loving the combination of brass and nickel, from fixtures and hardware all the way down to plumbing. No detail goes untouched, and we are here for the mixing of metals. Number 5, the integrated refrigerator wall. In any luxury kitchen design, integrated appliances are a must-have, but we particularly love this home's panel front refrigerator wall, which even includes legs that make these kitchen appliances look more like furniture than appliances. We'll definitely be adding this to our dream kitchens wish list. Number 6, the kitchen island with brass detailing. Okay, friends, let's just talk about this kitchen island. Where do we even begin? There is so much to love, but one of the key details that really brings the entire kitchen area to the next level is the brass detailing throughout, and especially around the kitchen island from floor to counter. And can we talk about the glimmer and shine that it gives off? Absolutely gorgeous. Number 7, the reclaimed wood beams. Another architectural detail we enjoy about this amazing home is the use of reclaimed wood beams. Specifically in this beautiful kitchen, the reclaimed wood on both the ceiling and above the range hood both complement the light and bright aspects of the design so well, warming up the space and keeping it nice and comfy and cozy for living. Number 8, the primary bathroom brass shower fixture. This home's primary bathroom suite needs its own moment because we are in awe of this beautiful brass shower fixture. From the looks of it, it looks like it's an unlacquered brass, which will patina over time, which makes it absolutely stunning and kind of European-ish. A luxury spa-like bathroom is a must for any luxury house design, and this not only meets but exceeds the mark. At-home spa days await. Number 9, bold cabinetry colors. If you've been following along with us, you know that we love the use of bold cabinetry colors, especially in unexpected places like a laundry room. So many clients are often afraid to use bold colors, but when done correctly, it can have major design impact on a space. This dark sagey green does just that. If you're looking to remodel your home or you're building your dream house from the ground up, we would love to help you with all of the design details. Get in touch with us at www.basilandtate.com to see if we could be the right fit for your project.